Hi children, let's see how to solve the exercise 6.1 questions. In last class we have discussed about introduction. Depending upon that introduction of the squares, now we will solve the questions. See the question 1. Question number 1. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? First one, 81. What is the question first you understand? What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? Means if you find out the square of the given number, what will be the unit digit of that square number? 81 square, how will you find out? 81 into 81, right? Its unit place digit is 1. When you find out its square, 81 into 81, it will be 1 only, because its unit place is how much? 1. So do you remember the property? The numbers which are ending with 1 and 9, those square numbers will be having unit digit as 1. Yes, using that property we can write here. By the property of the squares, that if the number is having 1 and 9 as the unit place digit, those square numbers will be ending with 1 only. Okay, like that you write for this first one. Second one, 272. What will be the unit place digit of its square? See 272, one's place digit is 2. 2 square, how much you will get? 4. So, whenever you multiply the same number with itself, the number with itself will get unit place digit double, that is same number you have to multiply. So, here 2 2s are 4. 4 will be the unit place digit of 272 square number. Then 799. What is the unit place digit of this number? 9. The unit place digit of 799 or the unit place digit of the square of 799 is 1. Like that you have to make a sentence and write. What will write? I will repeat. The unit place digit of square of 799 is 1. Then 3853. Its unit place digit is 3. So when you find out its square, 3 3s are 9. See, they are asking only unit digit, nothing else. 3 3s are 9. So you have to write the unit place digit or the unit digit of square of 3853 is 9. Similarly, 1 2 3 4. Its unit place digit is 4. 4 4s are 16. So 6. Ending with 6. Right? So you have to write unit digit of the square of 1 2 3 4 is 6. Like that you should write. You have to make a sentence and write. One I'll write here first. 81. The unit digit of square of 81 is 1. That much. Like this I have to make a sentence and write down. For all, first question you will do remaining all. I told you answers up to 5. 1 2 3 4. Okay. What about this sixth one? 7. 7 sevens are 49. So 9 it ends. So its square unit place digit will be 9. 8 8s are 64. So unit place digit of its square will be 4. Like that here 0. If any number is having 0 in the unit place digits, its square will also be having 0. How many zeros in the given number? 1 0. Ending with 1 0. So when we find out its square, the zeros will be, number of zeros will be 2. 2 zeros. Okay. Like 10 tens are 100, like that. 6 6 are 36. Its squares unit place digit is 6. 5 5 are 25. Fine. Okay, now see the second question. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. See, they are only telling us that the following numbers, what they have given, they are not perfect squares. Give reason. Why they are not perfect squares? I have to give reason. 1057, 23453, 7928, and here it is all are combination of 2. And this sixth one, 89,722. See, these are all ending with what? 7, 3, 8, 2, 2. Means all numbers unit place digits are either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. If you remember the property of square numbers, if the numbers are ending with 2, 3, 7, 8, those numbers are not perfect squares or squares. I'll repeat. By the property of square numbers, these numbers, means you have to write the numbers like 1057, second number 23,453, 7,928. Next, this number 2,22,222, then 89,722. These all 5 numbers you have to write. Then you have to say these numbers are not perfect squares because these numbers are ending with, or these numbers unit digits are 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, by the property of square numbers. Then remaining, what about remaining? If you observe fifth one, 64,000. Seventh one, it is 2,22,000. And eighth one, it is what? 5,05,050. If you observe, these 3 numbers are ending with odd number of zeros. See, here 3 0 sitting, it is ending with, and this 7th one is ending with also 3 0, and 8th one, this is ending with a 1 0. Means the numbers which are ending with odd number of zeros, those are not perfect squares. By the property of the square numbers, the numbers which are ending with odd number of zeros are not perfect squares. Like this I have to write the sentence. Third, the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? They're asking the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers. Means if you find the square of the 431, how will find out 431 into 431? You will multiply this number 2 times, right? After multiplying, what you will find out? Square, perfect square. When you find out perfect square, whether its answer will be a odd number, how you will decide? It is similar to the first problem. See the unit place digit. Unit place digit of first 431 is how much? 1. 1, if you find out its perfect square, it is 1 ones are 1. And here see in the third, 9 is there in place digit. 9 nines are 81. And what about this? This is 4. 4 4s are 16. And see, second one, 6 6 are 36. The numbers which has unit place digit as odd number, its perfect square will also be having unit place digit as odd number. I'll repeat, listen. The numbers that has unit place digit as odd number has odd number in its unit digit when we find its square number or perfect square. It is simple. If unit place digit is odd, its perfect square will also be odd. Okay, that reason you have to give here. And second and fourth are having the unit digit as even number. Therefore, its perfect square will be even number. first and third are having unit digit as odd number. Therefore, its perfect squares will be odd numbers. You have to write only this much. No need to find out its square. They are giving you mental work. That is, they are giving you logic. They are making you to understand the logic behind it. Fourth one. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. See the pattern and you have to fill up here these two blanks. See 11 square, yes, all of you know it is 121. 101 means, see, 11 in between 1 1 1 0 came, right? 1 0 is included. So same thing we have to do in the RHS also. In between 1 and 2 1 0 include, in between 2 and 1 1 0 include, because left side also 1 0 included between 1 1, right? Similar way 1 1 0 you have to include in the RHS also. See the next one, 1 0 0 1. What happened here? In between the 11 digits of the 11, 2 zeros are included. So right side also, in the RHS also, 2 zeros you have to include between the two digits. 1 and 2. Between this include 2 zeros, and 2 and 1. In between that include 2 zeros. Next pattern, 1 followed by 4 zeros and 1. How many zeros included? 4 zeros included. So here in the RHS also you have to include 4 zeros here. How many zeros you have to include? 4 zeros. And here also 4 zeros. Similar way. See the next pattern. How many zeros are there here? 6 zeros are included between 1 and 1. So right side also what you have to include? You have to write first 1, then followed by 6 zeros. How many zeros left side? Same number of zeros. Here you have to include 6 zeros. Then 2. Then 6 zeros followed by 1. This you will do. Okay, 6 zeros followed by 1. This is the one pattern. Similar way. Fifth one. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. Similar way, one more pattern is given. You have to fill in the blanks. 11 square, same 11 square they have taken, it is 121. Here in between 11, what happened? 1 0 is included. As earlier, same method we are following. 1 0 included between 1 1. So here also in the RHS also we include the 1 0 between the digits 102 201. Then next, see, it changes. See, after this above question was different. Here this pattern is different. What happened? After 101, what they have done? 1 0 1 0 1 means combination of 1 and 0. One digit is 1, next 0, next 1, next 0. It is like a binary number in the computer, you know, right? It is a combination of 1 0 1 0 1. So what is difference here? See, 1 0 2 0 1. Here if you observe, how many number of ones are there here? 2 ones are there. So you start writing from 1 up to 2 you write, then from 2 to 1 you have to write. First ascending, then descending order. In between zeros also you have to include, because here zeros are there. So 1 0 1 0 1. How many number of ones here? 1 2 3. 3 ones are there. So write up to 3. 1 2 3. Then this is ascending order. Then go for descending. 3 already is there. Then 2 1. And include 0 between the digits. In between 1 and 2 1 0. In between 2 and 3 1 0. Then like that continues. Similar way. Here if you observe, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now see how many number of ones here? 4 number of ones. So what you have to do? You have to write 1 2 3 4. How many number of ones? 4 ones in the LHS. So I am writing 1 2 3 4 ascending order. Then come for descending. See, I am leaving place between digits to write the zeros. So descending order is 3, 2, 1. What to do now? Write down 0. Include the 0 between the digits. This is the pattern. Similar way. See next, LHS is fill in the blanks. Means RHS you observe how many, up to what number ascending order? Up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stopped. Then it's a descending order. So 5 maximum number means here 5 number of ones are there in the LHS. That is here 4. For this you include 0, 1 more. See 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. How many ones done? 4 ones done. So 0, 1 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of ones done. Right. Okay. This is the pattern. Now, see the next. Question number 6. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. Okay. Use this and find the missing number. They are giving something here in the pattern. To find the pattern, third number is related to first and second number. Means third number what it is here, that is related to first and second. How? There are, we have to find out how. Fourth number is related to third number. Okay, see. Third number related to first and second number both. How it is related, we will see. And fourth number, RHS is there, na? That number is related to only third number. See, observe. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square, they are telling. If you find out 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 square is also 9. Both are equal, LHS, RHS. Then find out how we got. See, 1, 2 is a. See, square is there, na? That is called as par. That is exponent. 3 square. 3 is a base. 2 is called as exponent. 7 square. 7 is called as base. 2 is called as exponent. 13 square. 13 is a base. 2 is a exponent. So in this pattern, we will see only about the bases. Okay. All are same. See, all the exponents are same. 2 only. So bases we have to think of. 1, 2 is a 2. How third number related? Multiplication of first and second base. 1, 2 is a 2. 2, 3 is a 6. 3, 4 is a 12. 4, 5 is a 20. 5, 6 is a 30. 6, 7 is a 42. Like that you fill up here. Okay. Next, see in the RHS. 3 is what? After 2 what will come? 3. After 6 what will come? 7. After 12, 13. After which number? 21? 20 square. So 20 here. Base is 20. After 30, 31. After which number? 43 square. Here it is 42 square. Here it is 43 square. Okay, like this fill up. Here, without, question number 7. Without adding, find the sum. See, they are asking us, don't add these digits. Without adding, find its sum. If you remember, I'll show you. See here. Adding odd numbers. See. 1 is 1 square. 1 plus 3 means we are adding first two odd natural numbers. Sum of first two odd numbers. 1 and 3 are the first two odd numbers. If we add, we will get 2 square. How many number of odd numbers we are adding? 2. So, it's 2 square. Then 1, 3, 5. These are the first 3 odd numbers. How many number of odd numbers? 3 odd numbers. If we add, the sum will be equal to the 3 square. Because 3 first odd numbers we are adding. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. How many? 4 first odd numbers we are adding. How many number? 4 odd numbers. So it is a 4 square. If you add here, you will get 16. And here 1 to 9. See these 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First 5 odd numbers. How many number of odd numbers? First 5 odd numbers. So it is a 5 square. Similar way, first 6 odd numbers. Sum of first 6 odd numbers gives us the 6 square, that is 36. Similar way, here what will be there? See, without adding find the sum. Same method we have to follow. Last one I will do. How many numbers? See, continue. These are odd numbers, you can observe. How many number of odd numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is a 12 square. How many number of odd numbers? 12 of first odd numbers are added here. So it is a 12 square. 12 square is how much? 144. See, we didn't add. Simply we find its square number. Then here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all odd numbers, continue odd numbers, no break. So how many number are there here? Here it is, last one 12. See, these two are removed here, means these are 10. 10 square means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10 odd numbers sum we found. So first 10 numbers, 10 odd numbers means 10 square it is. 10 square is how much? 100. Means sum of these first 10 odd numbers is 100. Similar way you find out for 7th one. Okay, good. Next, 8th. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. They are asking us to express the 49 as sum of 7 odd numbers. Similar way, what we have done in the 7th, they have given here the same. First 7 odd numbers means you have to write it as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. How many? 6 done. 11 plus next 13. Okay, express 49 as they are telling here.